Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So today what we're going to do is pumpkin porridge for my baby. Actually pumpkin has a lot of benefits. Let's see what are they. Okay, these are the ingredients. We have garlic and ginger. So I already make a paste. And then we have pumpkin, which you can take a few. Basically you can cut it small or can just shred it. And then we have chopped 2 cherry tomato, half teaspoon of salt, and a bit of olive oil. Okay, here I'm using 4 scoops of rice plus the organic millet. So once the rice is half cooked, you can add the ginger garlic paste and the tomato, and then the pumpkins, few drops of olive oil, and just mix it well. Okay, now you can close it and let it cook about half an hour. Okay, looks like the rice is already cooked. Very nice smell. Right, okay, let's put the salt. Just mix it well. Ta-da! Pumpkin porridge is ready to be served. Now we see. Now you do. Daria cooking the carrot? Yes, Daria? Thanks for watching my videos. If you like this channel, please thumbs up, subscribe and share.